Me I go push it in at the closing door. So basically I go stuck in at the closing door. Guess what I go do after that? Guess what the boss I go do after that? The boss I go kung fu kick you in your noodle. The boss I go kung fu kick you in your noodle. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Pow! Bombard now. You see the thumbnail, let's see what it is. My grandfather them is back. My grandfather them is back with another banger. You see me? Yeah. So we not waste no time. We are gonna jump straight tonight in the dog. Peter and Bass we talk about, you know. Peter and Bass, brother. Yeah. No star, them man are prolific with it, dog. Them prolific with it, dog. Anyway, in them last track that I reviewed, them freestyle, at the end of it, them this about 6 or 7 artists. Me never know, say, me just hear Fredo and Bugsy. Me never hear the other artists them name because that part of the government head. So big up to the people them who let me know that is what them say. So we're gonna jump straight to the one and see what them are play. Big up Pressplay. Let's go. We are breakdown, so we are pause every 10 seconds, alright? We are breakdown. Coconut water! This not started and it's a fire. You see the man them with the strap them in the video, dog? You see the strap them? Alright. Shut up, fire. All I can say is them money I live them life. Them money I live them life. If you hate them because them I live them life, so be it. Them I live them life. Big them up. Big up Peter and Bass, my grandfather. Big up on yourself.
Took a bag of the dust and flipped it. I work like a bleeding dog.
Hey! Man said took a bag of the dust and flipped it. So it's about his money. He ma hustle. Me a breakdown, you know. Me a breakdown. So if this is not your style of reaction video, then sorry, excuse, but I'm breaking down, bro.
Same old trusty biscuit. The hammer don't lock. Points up and down that postcode. Offside where the lights don't go.
Take off my glasses. Only not trouble, you know. Only not bumper clock trouble.
AJ sent it back to the Ladbroke Road. I got deals, just let me know what you need. I'll be down in the local boozer, minimum score of delivery.
We throw a fist like AJ, send him back to the Ladbroke Grove. Ladbroke Grove is one famous street in London or something, right? But AJ, Anthony Joshua, him throw a fist like Anthony Joshua, the boxer. You see me? And him say a bag of thing after that, but you carry on.
Charlie Chaplin, his head got bashed with a walking stick. Silent movie, don't talk or I snatch your lips.
Silent movie, dog. Don't talk, or else I'm gonna snatch your lips. Don't talk. Shh. Zip. Coconut water. What?
Drive a man in the back of the car. If a man try running, he won't get far.
Pussy. If you try run, you're not gonna get far. Me and them straight. Me no miss. Come! Me no miss when me aim to the target. That's what the boss I tell. Talman, that's what Talman I tell you. Me no miss when me aim to the target. Me I go call him Sharpman and Talman because it's better for me that way. Me can't bother to remember them name. Peter and Bass, big up on yourself. One a Sharpman and one a Talman for me. Alright? That is what we're doing over here. Sharpman and Talman. Let's go.
Moving the pack like cheers, my tar. You don't wanna come round here and get mashed. Run a man down in my sandals.
Imagine, yeah? Imagine Talman are running down in him sandals alone. You can imagine that? You can imagine say him a running down and him still catch you. Him still catch you in him sandals and you in your trainers. Imagine that. You can't imagine that, no.
You don't wanna come round here, get mashed. Run a man down in my sandals. I'm too hot to handle. You don't.
The ad-lib, the ad-lib them. Yo. That video is bad. We like that. We like this. And the first night video, I think them, I've seen them do anyway. The first night video. So, it'll go on.
Wanna take this gamble, left with a name and a bench and a candle. Off a noodle. Got boys looking for the bugle.
Yo, every time, yo. Every time I react to them, man, I always get speechless. No joke, I always get speechless because of the way, oh, yo, it's just amusing, dog. It's just amusing. And it's fucking talented, brother. The man, I'm talented, dog.
Ringing on my phone like Jesus Christ, cause I got the kit and caboodle.
Hold on.
Left with a name and a bench and a candle. Off a noodle. Got boys looking for the bugle. Ringing on my phone like Jesus.
Look on the phone of them after that, man. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. Some of you guys are too young to know what kind of phone this is. This is none other than a Nokia 3310. If I'm wrong, which I don't think I am, it is a Nokia 3310. Them phone are expensive right now, them expensive. Yeah. You see the phone on the man having them on, dog?
You need practice, stop me bollocks, you ain't on crack. I'll do your day, leave your face in the country mud.
You need practice, brother. Yeah, brother, me will do you dirty. Me will left your face in the country mud. You hear that? Not the country mud. Some out in the country, not the mud, that's where you will be. Lifeless, not moving. You see me? Finito. Oh, dead. What's that? Coconut too. Oh yeah.
Heavyweight champ, swing fist but I don't use gloves. Anywhere public, lost count so many fights on a London bus.
Heavyweight champ, swing fist but I don't use gloves. So, I'm tell you, he's a bare knuckle boxer. Bare knuckle man do it. He swing him fist but he's not using gloves. He's not in the ring. He's not a professional. So, just know say. Yeah.
But I don't use gloves. Anywhere public. Lost count so many fights on a London bus.
Must anywhere in the public. Him say him last count how much fight him have on the London bus. Him last count how much fight. Cause imagine you're there on the bus. It's not your stop yet. You're up walking on the bus and see up on the bus. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Jump through the window? Bus and drive. What you gonna do? Jump through the window? No. You have to go defend yourself right there and then. Talk tough now, no pussy. Talk tough now. You're not bad again. You're not bad again. Eh? Are y'all on the bus? Where you look friend them there? Hold them bumbo class face here. Boom, 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 boom. That's where the man has to do. You hear that?
On the London tube, pushed him into the closing door. Then a kung fu kicked his noodle.
Bumbo class! Yeah, boy, I want for water. No, wait. Yeah? Watch out.
On the London tube, pushed him into the closing door. Then a kung fu kicked his noodle.
Imagine. Everything what them say, me have to imagine. First him say, him catch up on the bus. Then him say, him catch up on the tube. The tube at the chain, right? Underground chain, right? Alright. The man say, me I go push it in at the closing door. So basically I go stuck in at the closing door. Guess what I go do after that? Guess what the boss I go do after that? The boss I go kung fu kick you in your noodle.
What the hell did you just say?
The boss I go kung fu kick you in your noodle. Ouch! Me feel I want the dog. Me feel it. Bumbo clot. Oh, shot when I move someone.
But I don't use gloves. Anywhere public. Lost count so many fights on a London bus.
This is the part of the one, man. Listen again.
Led fights on the London tube. Pushed him into the closing door. Then a kung fu kicked his noodle. Spark out on the platform floor.
Knock him off on the platform floor. That kick in your noodle. That kick at the first man hear that word they refer to the male private part. Noodle. kicking your noodle. Yo, I'm gonna tell my friend. Hey boy, I'm kicking your noodle. No boy, how we are rapping now? Inna your noodle. Inna your noodle.
Will you keep quiet?
Nope.
Blood clot.
I've been fighting in the London pub, 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡 in the central court. I had a rock in the
Him do it, him knock a door.
floor. I've been fighting in the London pub, 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡 in the central court.
Him knock a judge out in a central court. Him bad from birth. Him bad.
I had a rock in the restaurant Thursday, chefed him up with a kitchen fork. I've been working, moving, sober.
Yeah, the man them full of arms like arms house. The man them full of arms like the military, bro. No joke.
Drinking, never sober. Pistol, tuck it, shoot it, like.
Peter and Bass, when I can't just adapt me, brother. Look from when me I beg on to adapt me. Look from when me I beg on to adapt me. Eh? Me two grandfather them dead already. The two of them dead. So, you can just adapt me still, just eat. Beg you.
Ladies, love it, money's coming. I've been about way too long, mate. Sit back down and shut your mouth.
I've been there, I've done that. Sit down and shut up. Shut your blood clot mouth. Sit down and shut up. I've been there, I've done that. I've been here too long now for you to tell me what to do. Sit down, I'm joking at you. Looking at your blood clot, yeah. Sit down. Yeah.
I walk outside with a big black suit and a pistol full 4 rounds. Fag in me hand in between the fingers is a drink and I can't get stand.
He's a fucking monster.
Noggin, best come jogging with a bag of sand.
Only they talk about who the pan top. If it's not obvious by now, what wrong with you? No, something wrong with you, no. Something wrong with you, man. Something wrong with you, no, or something. If you don't know who the pan top, that's what the boss said. That's what the sharp man say. Yeah.
Yeah, that's for them lot. Well, still ain't heard back from them, have we?
Oh. So, in at the end of the last freestyle, them they send for the artist them. Because apparently the artist them don't want to collab with them, or the artist them refuse to do them refuse to take them up on the offer for collab. Which I think the collab would be fire. So I don't know why the artist them said no, but whatever. The man said we still not heard from them lot yet. We still not hear back from them yet. Like I send shots off at Uno. What? Uno take me thing serious? Uno think I'm bad enough? Eh? That you not pray? I know say. Them artists are bad. Like them two granddad they are bad. Big up them. Big up Pete and Bass. Big up Sharpman and Talman. Big up on yourself. Anyway guys, this is how we're gonna end the video. Yeah? If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Leave your comment in this comment section and let me know what you think about it. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace out. We're outside. We are work. We are back. We are working. Yeah. Bye.